Did you know that America's first mass shooter was an Eagle Scout with a deadly secret hidden in his brain? August 1st, 1966, Charles Whitman climbed the University of Texas Tower carrying a bag full of weapons. For 96 minutes, he turned the campus into a killing field. 17 people died. But this wasn't a random act of violence. The night before, Whitman had murdered his mother and wife. He left notes describing violent urges he couldn't control. When police finally stopped him, everyone wanted answers. How does an Eagle Scout become a mass murderer? The autopsy revealed something chilling. Whitman had a brain tumor pressing against his amygdala, the part of the brain that controls aggression and fear. His military training as a Marine sharpshooter made him deadly, but it was the tumor that may have made him a killer. This case changed everything. It created modern police tactics for active shooters. But the question remains, was Charles Whitman a cold-blooded killer or the victim of his own diseased brain?